the Qi deficiency. So we have here the illustrations, Qi deficiency. If we could observe very carefully, pantay-pantay po yung blood, yin and yang, and pababa po yung sa Qi. So illustrating that there is a Qi deficiency. First, Qi deficiency could cause poor circulation. This may be because of poor function of the spleen or stomach, causing retention of food or stagnation of mucus. Or it could be retarded heart function, resulting in stagnation of blood. Secondly, Qi deficiency could cause poor elimination function. If the kidney function is affected, this could cause water retention, the thin fluid. Number 3, Qi deficiency could cause poor absorption or blood building function, malabsorption syndromes with malnutrition or poor function of blood synthesis resulting in blood deficiency. So dito sa illustration, ang Qi deficiency could result, number 1, magkaroon ng excess ng blood or meron siyang food or mucus retention and blood stagnation. Number 2, excess yung yin, nagkakaroon ng water retention. And number 3, mababa yung blood, mababa yung Qi. So nagkakaroon ng malnutrition and blood deficiency. So common symptoms and treatment. Sa symptoms of poor function, meron siyang poor circulation causes stagnation of fluid, excessive mucus, edema, fullness, heaviness, poor function of elimination causes retention. Meron siyang constipation, water retention, edema, keeping in emotions such as sadness or anger. So sa treatment, improve function, remove stagnation, Bakshu point of organ, needle and cupping, plum blossom tapping at the back of organ, and use of blue connecting point of young organ. Sa poor function of blood building causes anemia, paleness, tiredness, poor endurance, poor memory, and sleep, easily sleep, sleeping hands and legs, blurred vision. Sa treatment is to improve function of blood building, all points above except blue point of organ. Add move front point of affected organ or tonify the yin of organ. UB15, REN14 to tonify heart, UB17, spleen 10, GB39, and iron. Sa poor function of holding and firming causes incontinence, slow bleeding, bruising easily, spotting, and gum bleeding. Sa treatment, we use spleen 1, moxa, against slow bleeding. Tonify yin and yang of affected organ. General advice against stagnation: drink thin, warm fluid, eat unrefined grains, eat cooked and warm food, eat less food in the evenings, use pastel colors in the living space.